Good morning. Myself, I am Sriram, working as lecturer in Sri Ramakrishna Polytechnic College, Computer Engineering Department at Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. And my team members, Mr. Aswath, doing his final year Computer Engineering, Sri Ramakrishna Polytechnic College, Coimbatore, and Mr. Santanam, uh, doing his final year Computer Engineering, Sri Ramakrishna Polytechnic College, Coimbatore. And our topic, project title, NFC and augmented reality technique in integrated digital label. And we have used NFC, stands for near field communication. Um, it is a technology that transfer data using radio waves from one device to another by touching them or putting them close together. The NFC tag have sticked in the product at the top position, and the major advantage of NFC technology is no need to scan and no need to download any application. You just bring your smartphone near by the tag itself. It leads to a page, and our friendly page like this. And you have you first check your phone whether it has NFC support. Using this NFC tag, you can mm, get nearby the tag. It leads to the front page like this, and in the front page we have set several options: dynamic labels, scan me, farmer support, track my order, help, and feedback, complaints, product security, anti counterfeiting. Let's see one by one. While clicking the dynamic label, it leads to a page like this, and the customer have to choose the country name by clicking this option. There will be able to notice the packing details. While clicking, I am clicking India, it generates some packing details. Likewise, Canada, uh, we have select USA. It will generate the USA type label, and like that it will process based on the customer choice. And second one, scan me option. While clicking this, it will generate a QR scanner. You can scan your application. It leads to your front page, and we have implement AR technology also. The both label, it acts as a QR code scanner and also AR technology, and I will show the AR technology later. um, then farmer support. In the farmer support, we have given select your crop name for AR action, AR scan. Here we implementing the AR technology, and which helps the farmer to protect and maintain crops. While clicking, just for an example, while clicking corn, it will generate some labels like this, and here we implement the AR scanner option. And let me see the AR, how it works. AR scan, how it works. Sample video. While we going to set a target image, using a target image like this, in the laptop you have noticed that two images we set the target image. While using the AR technology, you can just uh, scan this photos. It leads to a video, sample video like this. the videos related to the product. A sample, it will be tested using a mobile phone. The target image, wherever it is, you can scan this target image. It leads to your video. It direct you the video, and use this video. The farmer can get information from that video. Using mobile phone, it will scanning, and the target image is detected, and it will automatically direct to the video. And this is an example for AR technology where we have used it. This is the images. We have set a target image like this. Using a scanner, the image leads to the video. Likewise, we can select the crop, and we have given a treatment product, corn production treatment also, a sample video like this, and we have given the download option also. Just a sample one, citrus and citrus leaf diseases sample, then banana AR scan. You can be able to scan now to watch the video. Then while clicking to the home page, and we have given a track my order option. While clicking this track my order, it display the product details. So get information, while clicking the get information, it display the product detail, and the entire details also it will give, and tracking your order button is there, and if you choose this, and it will display the entire delivery date, estimate delivery date, and order details where it will come to reach you. Then help, there is a help support, and while clicking this help, it show a chatbot option. The customer can able to interact directly, immediate information, like type here sample. I will type ICAI, and immediately it will show the message like this, and it immediate interaction through chatbot. And feedback complaints, while clicking this feedback complaints option, it get to the page, and from that page the customer can give their details, and submitting option also there, and he can able to register the complaints. Then product security and anti-counterfeiting. Here we using the NFC technology. The NFC technology, the best for anti-counterfeit solutions. Here a video is there, how it works, NFC. I have already informed the technology. You just bring first check whether your phone have the NFC support, and just bring your smartphone near to the tag. It leads to the home page. From the home page, there is several options. NFC tag is like this, and if you have the support mobile, it It's leads to the front page. Direct to the page. The sample videos there. Directing. Then we giving the links for products, whether online report, farmer handbook. While clicking the products, the several details of the products will show. Um, the customer or the farmers who are satisfy their needs to selecting the products, and whether online report, while clicking this, it leads to a direct condition. While clicking this country, selecting the country, you can able to know the current weather condition. Clicking India. Sample, or I'm clicking India, it show the temperatures condition, current condition, temperatures condition. And farmers handbook we have given. If farmers have any doubts regarding their products, you can able to read and to get an idea about this, just for providing that. And it is useful for farmers. And the front page, while using the NFC, implemented in you through NFC tab, you can get your mobile phone near to the tag itself. You watch the screen. Through that options, you can easily able to use one, and it will definitely helpful to the farmers. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.